machine. So I'm gonna try test my bread machine, but I think it has parts in here, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this. Oh my goodness, I don't know if I'll be able to put these together as all the parts. This big, do I have to do it again? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put these things together. Okay. And then this is two. So we try to put this out here. Nice stuff. And I need help. And I'm the only person in my kitchen. This is a big, huge bread machine. I cannot take it off. Okay, I was trying to use my new bread machine, but I'm too weak to take it off. So I don't know if I'll be able to use it. It's one big. Unless somebody help me here. I have no place to help. Oh no, I just go with the floor. Oh my goodness. I cannot take it off the box. I'm gonna need help. Okay. Hold on there. Right, you could go over to carry donuts recipe. Right, you have that. I'm pushing it to give you my live video. So I'm gonna put in all my recipes, my ingredients, and let's go. You just keep watching what I am cooking. So I'm using this bowl to mix my ingredients. As you can see, I'm trying to let this soak and melt. This is the yeast. That's the yeast. So I'm using this. Like 1 tablespoon. I'm using 2. So remember, 2 tablespoons of the yeast. I'm using yeast, 2 tablespoons. And then I'm using baking powder. I'm gonna try to use 4 baking powder. And then I put my baking soda in a bottle, in a jar. So I'm gonna use 4 of those. And then salt. I'm gonna just use half teaspoon salt. And what else am I using? This is what I'm mixing it with. I'm using the whole fresh milk, but I warm it up a little bit in the nabe or in a pot. And this. So I'm using 2 cups of the whole fresh milk, and you can use 1 or 2 cans of coconut milk. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now, making my donuts coconut milk recipe. So keep watching, whoever wants to learn my recipe. can just keep watching my stuff. Oh, and I'm using my sugar. I'm gonna be using my sugar. Oh, I have to open. So I have to use 3 cups sugar, and we'll see how many beetle I will be using. So for now, I'm gonna start mixing my recipe, my ingredients, okay? So just keep watching me how I do my donuts, bitter donuts recipe, sweet Chuukese donuts. So excuse my ugly face again. Here I am again. Hi everybody. So I warm up my milk. Oh my goodness, it's too pretty, gosh. And like to do now, I was staying on my Facebook and activities and other ladies that wanted to find out some other information, and here I am getting kakamaray now. So that's what I do. Keep watching my video if you want to learn how to make donuts with coconut milk and fresh milk. Oh my goodness. Don't heat up your milk too particular because it's not good. You can kill your yeast. So that's what I do because I warm up my milk. No, that should be good. Trying to open my pita and my sugar. Now I'm gonna pour my milk right here. Man, it's still pretty good. Don't do what I do. I burn my milk. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys. So, eggs. You can do 2 or 3 eggs. So first, I'm gonna put my sugar. Who put their sugar in a bucket? It's better so you make it first and safe from coronavirus. So since this cup is half cup, but I usually put in 3 cups, so I'm gonna put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a half cup, you put in 6. But if you use 1 cup, you put in 3. You got it? Got it, you got it? So now the yeast, you gotta mix it first before you mix it with your coconut milk, and then you mix it with sugar or sugar. Because when you mix it with sugar or sugar, it melts fast. It when you mix sugar and yeast together, see how mine goes fast? Because I mixed the sugar with the yeast and I stir it. So this is how it looks like. So 2 tablespoons yeast. Okay? Ooh, I hope it doesn't kill the putika doesn't kill my yeast. Not supposed to do this. Because it can kill my yeast, the warmness putika of what I do. It's my fault. And it's too warm. So it's no boy so chopstick. I'm just gonna use two sabon. Use the chopstick. You can use chopsticks. When you do your egg, chopstick is a good tool. It makes it faster. See? Chopstick. Two. And now I'm gonna put in my baking powder. I have all this dirty. We are both cooking. My husband and I are both making food today. So I'm just gonna put in 4 of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is baking powder. 4 tablespoons baking powder. Okay, that's done. That's done. Take it out. So now baking soda. I'm gonna use the teaspoon right here. So, 1, 2. You can put 3 or 2. I'll just put in 3. And done. This is my salt. I put it in this chronic plastic bottle. It's good because it's much better when you use your salt and you put your salt in here. I always save my salt in this one. I'm gonna use the 1/4 teaspoon salt. Salt. Voila. So there you go. So done. Cover up my stuff so I don't need it. Finish everything. I'm done with all my ingredients. I got so good. So now I'm gonna stir it again. So now we're about to repeat my ingredients. I mix everything, all the ingredients with the coconut milk and tomato. So whoever is watching and wants to know my recipe, if you get a pen and a book, you can write down because I'm gonna tell you guys now or for the live video. So you guys have your book and your guys' pen. So I tell you exactly what I did. We'll see how it goes this one. You guys have your books and pens. So first thing I did, I have this cup here. I used 2 full 2.5 cup, like 1. So that's total of 2, like 5. Just 2 times 2.5 cup full whole fresh milk. And then this one I used 1.5 can, or you can use 2 cans of coconut milk. This type of coconut milk. When you use different kind of coconut milk, it's not gonna come out amut or delicious. So you have to use this kind of coconut milk. Yeah, it's so good. Don't buy any other matunatir except this one. This is the best to use it for your coconut, Chuukese coconut donuts. So 1.5 or 2. Then after you put those 2 together, put it in a pot, like my ugly pot. You warm it up. Don't warm it too putika, too hot, because it's gonna kill your eyes. I hope mine is not. And then After you do that, you take it down from the stove, you put it in your bowl like this, and then you set aside. So with this cup, you can use this cup again. Remember, you get two tablespoons each. Then you mix it with 2 tablespoons sugar, and then you put in half cup water. You mix it, and then set aside. And then when it's rise up, or it's what you call that, when the yeast is melting and it's ready, it rise up in a cup, you mix it with your coconut milk and fresh milk, and then you can start putting in all your ingredients. So you put in, like, if you use 1 cup, you use 3 cups sugar, but if you use the half cup, you put in 6 cups sugar. And then baking powder, you can put in 3 or 4 of this, and then baking soda, like 3 to 4 of this, and then salt, you can just use 1/4, and sagun, put your sagun or your eggs in here, like 2 to 3 eggs. You stir it. The best tool to stir your sagun is your chopstick. You use your chopstick to stir your sagun, and that's all my ingredients. So now I'm ready to do my bidawa. So now I'm gonna start stirring my dough for my donuts. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys how. Let me taste. Yeah, this is good. Six cups. Yeah, this is good. You gotta taste your tempura too. Make sure your tempura is good. My husband is done cooking his soup, and he doesn't ask me to eat with him. He's so stingy. He's so stingy this time. So you got all the recipe ingredients. Can you guys put a thumbs up? Whoever follows my videos, and whoever, Chuukese beautiful woman that has been asking me for my recipe of my donuts. These donuts I show you guys today is coconut, whole fresh milk, coconut donuts. That's what I call this one. Okay, so let me show you guys how it looks. Now that's how it looks like. See? So I'm gonna end my video because I'm gonna start mixing my bidawa. But once it's done, I'm gonna show you guys on a picture. So thank you for watching my live video. If you enjoy my live video for more beautiful, delicious recipe, please subscribe to my Chuukese Videos YouTube video channel. Please, if you guys want to watch more recipes, because this is only one recipe I show you guys and I share it with you guys. So more videos for bidawa, pancake, and other different kind of recipe for pancake, bidawa, and donuts. I will keep sharing it with you guys. So subscribe to my YouTube channel as Chuukese Videos say. I will share it along with my live video today. Okay? Thank you for watching my live video. Peace. Tempura, coconut tempura. Emme tori wogeri skippy peanut. Emme tori palmogeri cobber smacker strawberry bean noodles. Hurry up! You're my tester for my donuts. Okay, our donut is done. It's ready to eat the Chuukese donuts. Right there. Those are our donuts done. And my son Wayne Wait, wait. So we're gonna wait for my son because he's the one gonna be eating the mukbang chuukese donuts. This type of recipe, it's mixed donuts with fresh milk, baking soda, baking powder, and yeast. Hurry up, Wayne. Hurry up, Wei. I'm waiting for you. So I'm waiting for my son because he's gonna be my chuukbang mukbang taster. Come on, Wayne. I'm just waiting for him. Oh yeah, I'm just waiting for him. Oh, so we're gonna be eating our donuts. The Skippy. There is like Skippy peanut. There's like Philadelphia strawberry. And there is like Smuckers, Cooper's strawberry donuts. Do you want me to make it for you so you can taste the different stuff, Wayne? Excuse me. How does your donut taste?
It's good, really good.
Like how? It's not just really good. You have to describe it. What do you taste in my donuts?
No,
You're my chuukbang mukbang taster.
I taste dough.
Tester. You taste what?
Dough.
What you mean dough?
I taste rice.
Okay, so I'm gonna make some of the one with the peanut butter. Give it to that guy over there. Excuse R. Right there. So you're gonna tell me how we're gonna be testing. First, he's gonna eat it with the peanut. And this is my send-off's food. Give me one more because I'm gonna make you one with peanuts, one with the strawberry, and one with the. That's how inside our. That's right inside, right there. You see? Now we'll go with the peanuts first. So you tell me how. Here, wait. Eat it with the peanut, you. Here's the peanut butter. Try it. How does it taste?
Tastes so good.
You tell them. You tell my viewers.
It tastes really, really good.
How?
Really good.
You're telling them I tester. My son that loves food. There's the other strawberry cobbler peanut. Right here, he's gonna taste it too. Last one is gonna be our Philadelphia. So that's how that looks like. Now, tasting all. Okay, you're gonna taste all the three. We don't have ice cream, but sometimes we eat it with ice cream too, yeah, we. And what you call the white one? The whipped cream? Right there. Okay. So, my Wayne is tasting all my donuts with different kind of peanut butter. How do you like it so far?
It tastes good. I like it a lot.
Let me taste it a little bit. See, he doesn't describe it, but my donut tastes so. I have to tell you guys, my donut, it tastes soft, it tastes sweet. What does it do?
Crunchy.
It's fast. When you cook it, it's fast to eat with. So, yeah, my tongue. So that's how our donut comes out. Looks like how it's cooked. My son is tasting it. And do you like it? Right there are donuts. So, gerikem karayvera karap gerikem na Vancouver. Korona virus is Siranam nari baby very healthy. So sawa. How it's a good delivery donuts. We are ready to deliver it to your door. Free delivery. At this time, we'll be waiting for your order to coming in. So, hi Auntie Kartira. If you akarap ngerikem, kap udorok donut. Betvi udorok donuts kakewan. Nafnin.